Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tradomatics Pre-Market Index Analysis. Let's come to the point. Nifty again sustained in between 11,800 to 12,000 and resist near 12,000 with support of 11,800 on last trading session. So my observation in the present scenario of Nifty is if it breaks 12,000 then it's likely move for 12,250. Otherwise, below 11,800 to 850 it will comes down for 11,500 to 600 reverse range. Let's come to Nifty chart. For Nifty, range bound situation in between 11,800 to 12,000 with support of 11,600. So for now, as per chart formation, if Nifty breaks 12,000, it will try for 12,250. Otherwise, it's likely move down for reverse till 11,500 to 600. Let's come to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed near 24,500 again on last trading session. So for now, if Bank Nifty sustain above 24,200 to 500, then it's likely try for 25,200 resistance. Else, it's try to maintain a range bound move between 23,800 to 24,500. Let's come to Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty takes range bound sustainable move in between 24,200 to 25,000 with support of 24,000. If it breaks 24,000, it's likely move and sustain in between 23,200 to 23,500 for reverse. As per my exploration, there have some trading opportunity for index future. That's our. For Nifty future, there is a crucial resistance for Nifty future that 12,100. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances. That's our 11,989 and 12,069. There have a crucial support for Nifty future that 11,729. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports. That's our 11,869 and 11,789. Same as there have a crucial resistance for Bank Nifty future also that 25,089. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances. That's our 24,790 and 24,965. Same as there have a crucial support for Bank Nifty future also that 23,800. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports. That's our 24,189 and 23,965. As per my exploration, there have some volatile stocks for intraday trading with trading range and midpoint. So what is the trading range and what is the midpoint? If a stock sustains above its midpoint and it increases volume with price, then the upper range is denotes for its higher resistance to achieve with support of midpoint. Same as if a stock sustains below its midpoint with increases volume, then lower range is denotes for its reversal support with resistance as midpoint. Dabur, that LTP is 519, its upper range is 534 and lower range is 500. So if Dabur sustained above its midpoint that 515 with increases volume, then it's likely try to resist on its upper range or upper resistance that 534. Same as if it sustained below its midpoint with increases volume, then it's likely reverse from its lower range or lower reversal support that 500. You can note down every stock's LTP with range and midpoint for intraday trading. Dabur, that LTP is 519, ITC, that LTP is 170, M&M, that LTP is 625, Amra Raja Battery, that LTP is 761, Jubilant, that LTP is 776, Coromandel, that LTP is 737, Ipca Lab, that LTP is 2175, TCS, that LTP is 2686, Godrej Agrovet, that LTP is 521 and CSC, that LTP is 589. You can note down every stock's LTP with range and midpoint for intraday trading. You can note down my mail ID. If you have any kind of query about my channel, that you can mail me on my mail ID that trade.mathematics@gmail.com. You can join my Telegram channel also, that link given below in my video description. There have lots of stocks and index view on there. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.